Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. So this is a city scene from a street, and in a couple of videos, videos you'll hopefully see where it is that I've actually gained the inspiration from. It's one of my favourite cities and you shall see it. So this city has a very unique look, and you can tell by the very tall buildings and then the type of roof scene. So you'll see it in a few videos where it is, and if you already know or try or think you know, please comment. That'd be great if I could try and capture a city or town or whatever, and you then try and guess where it is. That'd be super fun. Actually, if we're going to start doing that, I'm going to do that tomorrow as well. So yeah. So 2-point perspective again, and I'm starting to get the proportions correct and the perspective correct as well, which I'm starting to become a little bit more comfortable and confident within this. Obviously there's still teeth and pains and things, but I am learning a lot quicker and I'm really happy. Geometric, observational, gestural, good speed, creating the feedback loop. Try it out, let me know what you think. Thanks guys.